Hello guys, this is the part 3. Sorry for the mukbang. Before you see the other mukbang, go to the link of my profile. Oops. Comment your flag and then I will eat it. I will eat your favorite foods and comment it. And comment your flag because I live in Philippines. Do you know this meaning? I'll teach you some meaning of this. Pengi akong pera at saka magmumukbang ako. It means, can you give me money? I will buy some mukbang foods. Apa? I love mukbang. Mukbang. Go to my profile to see other video.
You're not eating.
Hindi nang naka-video ako.
Ano? Anong gagawin mo?
Sa YouTube.
Magsalita?
Let's go peel this up. Sorry guys, my ninang is acting weird. My aunt is acting weird.
Kaya!
This. Quiet, Ethan.
Eli, pinapakain mo ano-anong pinaggagawa mo. Oras ba ng ganyan?
Ninang teka, nagbabalat ako eh.
Pati si Ethan, dinadamay mo sa ganyan-ganyan. Nakakain ng mabilis, hindi magtatagal dyan.
Ganto ya. Guys, subscribe. Go subscribe and like and go to the link and find other video of mine with my cousin Ethan. My name is Ellie. Ethan. Ellie and Ethan. Apa? Okay. Apa? Okay. Yummy. Yummy. Wait. He is 2 years old and I'm 7 years old. He's 2 years old.